Basecamp was made for those who want to see the world. Its compact, lightweight design was built for adventure. Just as comfortable in the campsite as it is off the beaten path, Basecamp packs everything you need into one versatile trailer that's ready for anything this wide world has to offer. Once you step inside, you'll find that Basecamp's compact, lightweight design opens up all sorts of possibilities, right alongside the comforts of home. Whether you're in the desert or surrounded by snow, the optional air conditioning cools your trailer easily, and the Truma Combi Eco Plus heating system can handle both water and cabin heating with world-class efficiency. The panoramic front windows let you take in the view, and the subtle decors play off of natural tones you'll find outside. It's all an homage to the world around you, the whole reason you head out to explore in the first place. In the galley, you'll find all the amenities, ample storage, and a fold-down sink with a tempered glass cover to maximize counter space. The dinette seating lets you enjoy your meals in comfort and style. The flame-retardant, stain-resistant Syntex marine fabric is as durable as it is modern. The versatile bench includes hidden-away storage space and converts seamlessly into a full or half bed. Cleverly integrated pop-up charging stations deliver power without compromising space. The Basecamp's wet bath is modern and space-efficient. A shower pass-through even allows you to use the shower head outdoors. When the day is done, close up the rear hatch to keep Basecamp cozy as you unwind. Or keep it open and attach the removable screen for a cool breeze through the sleeping area. Want to go even farther off the grid to answer the call of adventure? The new Basecamp X-Package is full of features that make it even more rugged and durable. So wherever the road takes you, you're ready. Upgraded features and accessories like a 3-inch lift kit and an increased departure angle allow for more all-terrain use. So the Basecamp X-Package is ready for whatever adventure comes your way. And with 3 interior decor options, you can choose the Basecamp that's right for you. Both Basecamp and Basecamp X come with a 3-year limited transferable warranty, as well as 3 years of 24/7 CoachNet roadside assistance. Basecamp gives you the freedom to roam anywhere and to take everything you need with you. So why wait? Find your closest Airstream dealer and experience Basecamp for yourself.